Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus iQOO Neo 7 device. So Dimensity 1200 processor versus Dimensity 8200, and we'll try to use these 9 applications and one game which is a PUBG Mobile to check how will be the speed test and the RAM management test gonna be there between these both smartphones. So that's what this video is about, and right now all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and I'm not using any kind of RAM expansion mode between these both phones. And Dimensity 1200 versus Dimensity 8200, and we'll try to see the speed test, and let me disable the monster mode and no high performance mode is used while doing this testing. And let's start with the first is the application Google Chrome application, and let's keep this in the background RAM management. It is the touch sampling rate application. I'm trying to keep this in the background RAM management as well. And next is the Amazon application. Let's go to the mobiles, and you can see the loading speeds, how the both phones are loading, and both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi network as well. And next is the Flipkart, and my Realme X7 Max is running the latest version of the Realme UI 4.0, so that's something you should know about. And let me to keep some random phone in the background as a RAM management. So let's keep this phone in the background, and here's the Instagram application and Facebook, and next is the Myntra application, and you can see the both phones, how the both phones are actually loading speeds also. Here's a YouTube application, and let me to keep my channel in the background as a RAM management. Here's a daily hunt. So regarding opening and opening speeds between these both phones were able to open pretty close to each other. There is nothing much huge difference going on regarding the opening speeds, but the thing is that we need to focus on the RAM management. Which phone has got pretty good RAM management? That is what we'll try to compare between these both phones. And you can see the iQOO Neo 7 is trying to open faster than the Realme X7 Max. Yes, it did open fast than the Realme X7 Max. So finally I did open the 9 applications and one game, so which are completely open in the background RAM management, as you can see, and still the Realme X7 Max is taking a lot of time to open. And let's start with the first application again, which is the Chrome application, and both phones were able to keep the Chrome in the background RAM management, which is not bad. And touch sampling rate, yes, both phones did keep in the background. Amazon application did close for some reasons in the iQOO Neo 7. Flipkart, it did maintain. Instagram, no issues. Facebook, no issues. And let's talk about the Myntra application. No issues in the iQOO Neo 7, but in the Realme X7 Max it got closed. Next is a YouTube application, no problem. Daily Hunt, no issues, and PUBG Mobile also no issues. So definitely one application is down in the iQOO Neo 7 and one application in the Realme X7 Max. Overall it's kind of pretty even between these both phones. So this is a quick speed test and the RAM management test comparison between these both devices. So this is what you can actually expect regarding the RAM management. Next time I'll try to include the 5 heavy games, then I'll try to compare between these both phones. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested for more information on the topic. So until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Meanwhile, bye.